Introducing next generation design Galaxy Fit. Most fitness bands are just functional. The ultra-slim Galaxy Fit is cleverly designed to look good so you can feel good about wearing it. What sets it apart from others is a brilliant, full-color AMOLED touch display and a battery that weighs less and charges more efficiently so you can keep going longer. Fit is designed to track your stress levels and offer breathing guides to help you reset whenever you need to. While its intuitive interface means you get clearer notifications and preset responses, simply tap for a quick reply. Fit automatically registers your regular activities day and night. Just hold the side button and track your favorite stretches, exercises, and more than 90 different workouts. When it comes to sleep, Fit analyzes your patterns to help you get the best kind of rest. And when you wake up in a new location, in a new time zone, a dual clock gets there first to help you keep track. Next generation design Galaxy Fit. Feeling good has never looked so good.